and the nice council that you are also approve the university budget, out of which the committee that I'm most grateful and proud of requested for a way of furnishing it and ensuring that it's usable. For me, I'm happy because it has taken a little time, but at least we are here to have it actualized. We have a large population in this place with 610 staff, men and women, with 24,000 plus students. And one other thing, Chair, is that a greater portion of our staff are also potential mothers, or their mothers, ideally. And of course, even the fathers who are there have to support the children. As the registrar said, if you want someone that is productive, ensure that when he or she comes to work, his attention is focused on work without having to fear about what is happening elsewhere.